In this video, I am going to show you how to change your YouTube TV password to keep your account secure. Since YouTube TV uses your Google account for login, changing your password is done through Google's account settings. Start by visiting the Google account page at myaccount.google.com and signing in with the email and password linked to your YouTube TV account. Once logged in, click on Security from the left-hand menu. Under the Signing into Google section, select Password. You may be prompted to verify your identity by entering your current password or receiving a verification code. After verification, you can enter your new password and confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong, unique, and not easily guessable to protect your account. Once you've saved the changes, your new password will automatically apply to your YouTube TV login as well. If you're already signed into YouTube TV on any device, you'll need to log out and sign back in with the updated credentials. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to change your YouTube TV password, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.